Welcome to our English learning channel. Learn easy daily use English sentences and improve your spoken English step by step. I am trying to improve my English speaking skills. I am trying to improve my English speaking skills. Please repeat this sentence one more time. Please repeat this sentence one more time. My sister is helping me learn English daily. My sister is helping me learn English daily. We are planning to visit our grandparents tomorrow. We are planning to visit our grandparents tomorrow. Don't forget to complete your homework before dinner. Don't forget to complete your homework before dinner. I always drink a glass of milk in the morning. I always drink a glass of milk in the morning. The teacher is explaining the lesson very clearly. The teacher is explaining the lesson very clearly. Please keep your books and clothes in the right place. Please keep your books and clothes in the right place. My father goes to work early every morning. My father goes to work early every morning. We should help poor and needy people. We should help poor and needy people. I like watching English videos to learn new words. I like watching English videos to learn new words. Please wait here until I come back. Please wait here until I come back. The weather is very pleasant today. The weather is very pleasant today. My little brother loves playing with toys. My little brother loves playing with toys. Always try to speak English with confidence. Always try to speak English with confidence. She is preparing food for the guests. She is preparing food for the guests. We are learning new English sentences every day. We are learning new English sentences every day. Please write these words in your notebook. Please write these words in your notebook. I want to become fluent in English speaking. I want to become fluent in English speaking. The children are enjoying their school holidays. The children are enjoying their school holidays. My mother wakes me up early in the morning. My mother wakes me up early in the morning. Please tell me the meaning of this word. Please tell me the meaning of this word. We should always respect our parents and teachers. We should always respect our parents and teachers. I practice English speaking in front of the mirror. I practice English speaking in front of the mirror. Learning English can help you in the future. Learning English can help you in the future.